Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of...
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena, and in today's video we are just going to be doing a whole lot of laundry. So I just kind of fell back on my laundry this week and have about, oh gosh, maybe a good like 5 or 6 loads that I need to do today in order just to get us all caught up. And I have so much laundry just in baskets waiting to be folded, and a couple of baskets waiting to be put away as well. So that is what today is going to be, just some good old laundry motivation.
Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes, with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you.
So we've been outside playing for a majority of today, and then we came in for lunch and just to be inside for a little bit. And normally, like, this would be some of the times where I would get one of my cleaning projects done, you know, like I'll clean a bathroom, I'll clean the kitchen, just whatever. Today all of that is just, you know, it's just laundry. Anytime that I have just a little bit of time to do anything, I'm going to be folding, I'm going to be putting away, you know, flipping the cycles here with flipping the washing into the drying and the drying into the, you know, bag and everything else. So that's really what I'm going to be doing today in terms of my cleaning routine.
Here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, with his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego.
So I've honestly been thinking about maybe trying like the no fold laundry method, like maybe for the summer, just to see how it works, and probably just for like my boys' clothes, just because it takes so long to fold all these little clothes. It's a pretty time consuming process, and then often when they're getting items out of their drawers, a lot of the times their drawers get a little messy anyways. I just don't know how that will work though. I wonder if, like, I think I just need to start watching some more videos and, you know, search for no fold laundry methods and see how other people do it. Like, don't the shirts get wrinkly? You know, like, that's kind of like what I would worry about. Like, I don't want them in just wrinkly shirts all the time, but if that's not an issue, like, I don't know. I'm kind of curious about it, and I think I'm going to have to do a little more research, maybe watch some more videos and see how other people do the no fold method.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah. Let you down.
We are upstairs now in the boys' room, and I'm just going to start putting away some of their clothes that I just folded downstairs. And I just am separating some of the items that need to go into my 2-year-old's room, and then putting away the items that go into my twins' room here. And then we'll go downstairs and start this process all over again.
Just
short and you're getting things out of the washing machine, like you sometimes have to go all the way in just to reach the bottom. So like I know it looks so goofy when I'm getting things out of the washing machine, but I can't reach some of the things. And so I have to like really go all the way in, kind of scoop everything together, and then I can grab everything in a big pile. But I do kind of look like I'm falling in the washing machine there.
Club will go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop.
So I'm editing this video, right, and I've been sitting here for the longest time just trying to figure out like what I can say about this section of the video. There's just not a whole lot to say about folding clothes. I mean, I'm just folding clothes, just so many clothes. And so I don't know, I don't even know like what to even say about this, but I think a lot of you out there kind of feel, you know, it's just so tedious folding clothes sometimes, but yeah, we'll just fold some more.
Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough, I can't get enough. It's all about us, it's all about us, it's all about us.
So we're back up here again, and I'm just going to do the same thing, just get all these items out, put away. The items that need to go to my 2-year-old's room will go over there. And sometimes I have like mixed bags here. It's not always just the boys' clothes. Sometimes some of my clothes are mixed in, sometimes my husband's, things like that. So, yeah.
As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough, can't get enough. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile.
Alright, so this is going to be the last load that I do tonight. I'm going to go ahead and get these clothes out, get the other ones switched on over, and then I will start in on my husband's laundry that I just brought down. And then that is going to be the end of this video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I know laundry can be so boring sometimes, but maybe it's a little better if you have like a laundry buddy. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider watching another one. I really hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!
Forever, forever.